Hello guys, welcome. Today in this video we will learn how to run HTML files and Visual Studio Code using the live server extension. So let's start. So first we will go to these extensions and here we will search for live server. So it is this first one by RedVecD, and I'll click on this install to install it. Now this is the detail of the extension. You can go and you can watch this and read this. So now it is installing. The extension is installed, so I'll close this extension page and I will close this extensions tab as well. Now we will click on this file explorer and we will create a new file. So I'll name this index.html and hit enter, and now I'll create the HTML code here. So for that I will click shift N1, so it will show this period sign, this exclamation sign, and I will hit enter. So it will create the code or the skeleton of HTML code. Now this is the body, and inside this body we will write something and then we will show that in our browser. So I'll write here like h1, and I'll write inside this h1 like and comment, and now I'll control S it. Now I'll right click on this and now I'll go here and open with live server because we have installed live server. Now it will fire up the browser, the default browser, and show this text inside that browser. You can see that it has shown text in this browser. Now if I minimize this and close this down, and what is the best thing about live server, so if I make some changes here, like and comment on the video, and now if I control S it, now you can see that the changes are shown in the browser. So in this way you can use live server to run HTML pages. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.